if you want. Where's my mouse? I don't know. So I made this in a few hours. It's a train. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's just a bunch of models I made. And this part is something that's pretty cool. This right here, because there's no actual geometry. It's just a single car. But since I have a material here, which is just a glossy with zero roughness, and it mirrors it perfectly on both ends, so it looks like it goes on forever. And I made a train car. There's not much walk room here, but I think for the glass texture,
yeah, I like that train. I could lay down and sleep.
The glass texture is a sheet. I have two versions of it. One's for if you're looking at it with the camera or a glossy texture, and the other one is for just lighting in general. I have two different versions of it so that the camera view doesn't look like well, it's not actually that. You can see it's a lot brighter here, which is not what I was going for. And the lighting should still be the same on pretty much everything, but it looks a lot less blown out. I also did that for these blue glowing things because they were, if you could see them normally, they just look like this, and they wouldn't, like they actually look like something here instead of just being kind of a blue glowing. And the window, I used a cheat where, like if you see the background here isn't actually sky, and if I add that material here, it acts like it's outside, but it's not actually. And how I did that is I mixed an emission using ink. Here, let's just shader emission. I have an emission with the incoming. Let me change this to perspective. It was already perspective. Incoming as the vector, and I have a sky texture that uses that vector. And now it looks as if you're looking through a window. And I mix that with a glossy texture. So this is. Oh no, huh? Why is that not? And well, okay, you can see here. So it looks. And right here, how I did the mixing for camera and glossy only is I used the light path node, used the math node, set it to maximum, so it takes whichever one is bigger, and it is camera and is glossy. Got the maximum. I used the maximum of those, and using that to drive a mix shader. So the bottom slot is if it is not the camera or glossy. The top slot is it's not camera glossy, and the bottom slot is if it is. So to everything else, it's not actually a glossy shader. It's just an emission with the strength of 6, I think. But here, I think it, and you can see that if I go like this, and it doesn't have glossy, but that's not actually apparent unless there's okay, I just moved that cube way away. Don't know if you can see it. No, this is a different thing, sorry. The door is something else completely. If I just open File and add that to... Sorry if I'm... sky texture is similar, but... So this is glossy, as you can see there, and if I... this is what it would look like otherwise. So it's just a way of cheating, like there's a window there. And in theory, I could do this with the environment map too, but I don't have one. Is there one on this computer? Oh yeah, Seabug February HDR.
Okay.
So input. Oh no, I already just had that online. Okay. So, you can't see it. Let me change this back. So I go in here. Now you can see that it's Seabug outside. Does this have a myth modifier on it? That is not real. So, this works.
Yeah.
It is upside down though, I don't know. But that should be easy enough to fix. Can get
You gotta commit to recording it, Seabug more.
Hmm?
You gotta commit to recording it, Seabug more. You're covering so many weird subjects. Dude.
If I just turn the G. Okay, no, that just screwed everything up.
You might be looking up the blind spot of the mirror.
Am I? Oh yeah, okay. Now it's right side up. And I can also for sky texture color is mixed. -1 for each. And that should have done something, but it didn't. Okay, so that's the train thing. I also made a really horrible palm tree thing, which has some interesting shaders, but I'm not going to discuss them because they involve a lot of math, or a good amount of math.
Cool, thank you, John.